Let me introduce a new revolutionary box knife. First, let me tell you who we are. We introduced a new concept in box cutting in 2006 to the retail industry. AIT sold over 5 million safety knives last year throughout the world, from the largest retailer to the smallest retailer, to become a leader in innovative safety box knives. Today we have turned our attention to the food industry with the development of a new unit called the Pocket Cutter. It is the safest cutter to ever be offered for sale. In fact, it is so safe and so well designed, virtually no training is required. The Pocket Cutter has built-in safety features for the user that work, regardless of what the user is doing. He can be distracted, he can be doing something totally incorrect, but the Pocket Cutter safety features never fail to protect the user. The Pocket Cutter blade is always inside the body of the cutter in a locked position that is engaged by the user. The blade unlocks only when you close your hand on the trigger. The blade cannot come out unless the user releases the trigger first. It's so simple you don't even have to think about it. Your hand will gravitate to the small black trigger in the grip that must be triggered to unlock and engage the blade. The lock in the trigger will unlock when you squeeze the trigger, allowing the blade to be extended in the ready-to-cut position. And it only gets better. The Pocket Cutter knows when the blade has been extended, instantly activating the safety automatic blade return. Once the blade touches the box or tape, the safety blade return is activated. When you lose contact with the item you are cutting, the safety blade device automatically returns the blade inside. The safety return system overrides the squeeze trigger anytime you lose contact with the items you are cutting and instantly returns the blade safely inside the body of the cutter. This unbelievable safety feature works 100% of the time. The Pocket Cutter is unlike any cutter you've ever seen. When you pick it up, you will realize that it's as simple to use as the pen in your pocket. And in today's world, cost is always an issue. The new Pocket Cutter lasts 3 times longer than any other disposable cutter on the market today. Our patented new steel blade is designed not to break, and the Pocket Cutter blade has proven longevity greater than 5,000 linear feet. The disposable Pocket Cutter lasts 3 times longer than the competitive disposable units on the market today. All of this, and you have an ambidextrous cutter that fits safely in your pocket and is ergonomically designed to fit and function just like your hand. The design reduces the energy required to pull the blade through the cardboard by over half of what competitive units require. With everything said, it comes down to the cutter.